hi guys, if you'd like to see my at-home facial routine, please keep on watching. Okay, so first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start my facial steamer machine. So basically with this steamer machine that I use, you put distilled water inside. You can use regular tap water, but I'm going by what the recommendation is on the actual box itself. So basically what I do is I fill up this little tube here with water, and you fill it up to where the max is, and then you put it back, and then you turn on the machine, and you're gonna let it steam up, and then it'll start to release the steam that develops. So I'm just gonna give that a couple of seconds to begin. And you have to give it about a minute to warm up. I'm using the Aurora Facial Steamer. I purchased this at Macy's. I will include it down below so that you guys can see what facial steamer I am using. So this is how the steamer looks, and as you can see, the steam is starting to come out. So basically once a minute has passed or close to a minute has passed, you want to click the button so that the actual steam can be released. And this is when you start the steaming process. So you just sit it down and let the steam go in your face. This is gonna run for about 15 minutes. So I'm not gonna sit here and make you guys watch 15 minutes of me steaming my face. So I will come back after the 15 minutes is up, and then I'll start applying all the products that I use after my face is steamed. This is my face directly after. So it is damp, and I'm using the high maintenance cannabis peeling mask. So you're basically just going to apply a generous amount to damp skin and continuously massage it into circular motion for several minutes to remove any impurities and dull surface skin. So this product is organic, aloe-based. It's vegan and cruelty-free. It's free of any harsh ingredients, eco-friendly, and it's dermatologist recommended. It is formulated with hemp seed oil, bioflavonoids, and pure essential plant oils, and it helps to calm inflammation, protect with potent antioxidants, balance with adaptogens, hydrate and replenish your skin. So those are basically the claims of the product. I have used this product several times. I do like the way it makes my skin feels after I use it. The next product is Roc Retinol Cream. So I've been using retinol for a little bit of time. I try not to use it every night because it can be very drying to the skin. And you also want to make sure that when you're applying this product, you're applying it on dry skin, because if your skin has any dampness or any wetness to it, it can be irritating to your skin. So basically I'm applying this all over my face. I try to stick to using retinol maybe twice a week if I have to. However, retinol is good for clearing up any dark spots. Anyone who has acne, it's good for that as well. I'm now using the Retinol Correction. So this is for my under eye. So I'm just going to take 2 dabs of the cream and put it under each of my eyes. So I'm just doing my right eye first, and then I'm going to be doing my left eye. So I'm just gently dabbing it in as opposed to pulling, because the skin under your eye is very thin and fragile, so you want to make sure that you're not too harsh with your under eye area. I'm also applying that to the top of my lid too. The next product is just my moisturizer. So this is my Fab Aid Moisturizer. I use this religiously every single day. It's very soothing for your skin. People with eczema use this product, and it has colloidal oatmeal, which is also very soothing for irritated skin. So I like to apply this after I use retinol, because retinol, like I said, can be drying to the skin. So I just want to bring that moisture back into my skin after using the retinol. Then to seal everything in, I like to use Tarte Maracuja Oil. So I'm just putting it in the palms of my hand. I'm going to rub it together, and then I'm going to just pat it on my face. So I love this product. I've been using this product for years. I would highly recommend it. I just love how my skin feels in the morning. It feels refreshed, it feels supple, and it feels glowy. And I like the way it leaves my skin feeling overall. So I'm just patting that in all over my face, even my eye area and on my hands. Then I'm using the Laneige lip Moisturizer, and I'm just applying that to my lips to hydrate them. And then I'm basically done. So this is how my skin looks after applying all my products on. And that is my at-home facial, skincare, and nighttime routine. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Thank you guys for watching.